the number of real roots of the equation 5 plus modulus of 2 power x minus 1 is equal to 2 power x into 2 power x minus 2 is. Options are 2, 1, 3, 4. So first we need to open the modulus. Let us discuss two cases. Case 1 is let 2 power x minus 1 be greater than or equal to 0, which implies 2 power x is greater than or equal to 1. That means 2 power x is greater than or equal to 2 power 0. That means x is greater than or equal to 0. Whenever x is greater than or equal to 0, the term inside the modulus is positive. So remove the modulus and take the expression as it is equal to, open the bracket in the right hand side. We get 2 power x the whole square minus 2 into 2 power x. Bring all terms to one side. This gives us 0 is equal to 2 power x the whole square minus 3 times 2 power x minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 0. This gives us, you can substitute y is equal to 2 power x. So the equation is y square minus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0, which gives us y minus 4 into y plus 1 is equal to 0. Gives us two values, y is equal to 4 or y is equal to minus 1. So 2 power x is equal to 4 or 2 power x is equal to minus 1, but exponential function cannot be negative. So 2 power x is equal to 4 gives us x is equal to 2, which is satisfying the criteria x greater than or equal to 0. So we need to discuss the second case, namely let 2 power x minus 1 be less than 0. This implies 2 power x is less than 1, which implies 2 power x is less than 2 power 0, which implies x is less than 0. We are assuming x is less than 0. If we assume x is less than 0, the quantity inside the modulus is negative. So remove the modulus, attach a negative sign. So it becomes 5 minus of 2 power x minus 1 is equal to 2 power x into the term within bracket is 2 power x minus 2. 2 power x minus 2. This is nothing but 4 minus 2 power x is equal to 2 power x the whole square minus 2 into 2 power x. Take all terms to one side. It gives me 2 power x the whole square minus 2 power x minus, it is 5 plus 1, so it is 6. So minus 6 is equal to 0. Let y is equal to 2 power x again. The equation becomes y square minus y minus 6 is equal to 0, which gives us y minus 3 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 3 or y is equal to minus 2. So we get two cases. 2 power x is equal to minus 2. Exponential function cannot be negative. 2 power x is equal to 3. That means x is equal to log 3 to the base 2. Log 2 to the base 2 is 1. Log 3 to the base 2 is more than 1. But the value of x under the condition we have put here, we have put a condition that x has to be negative, but the value of x that we get here, log 3 to the base 2, is positive. That means this is also rejected. Basically the question is, find the number of real roots of the equation. We have found one root is x is equal to 2. There is no root in this case. So number of roots of this equation, which involves a modulus and exponential function, is equal to 1, which is equal to option B. This is a simple question which involves some understanding of exponential function and some understanding of how to remove the modulus of a given expression.